Hello, dear viewers. There's something magical about waking up wherever you choose. No alarms, no schedules, just the open road, a warm sunrise creeping over the horizon, and the freedom to steer your life toward adventure. That's the promise of the 2026 Rimor Seal 5. It's not just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle on wheels, built for travelers who want every journey to feel like a story worth telling. From the outside, the Seal 5 carries a confident, modern stance. The body is sculpted with softer curves that help slice through the wind, wrapped in a clean white finish, highlighted by sleek blue decals that give it a refreshing coastal travel vibe. The aerodynamic front cap flows smoothly into the cabin, while the raised roofline hints at the spaciousness inside. When it rolls down the highway or along a dusty trail, it looks purposeful. Strong enough to handle rougher roads, yet elegant enough to turn heads at any campsite. Its higher ground clearance and sturdy build give it the kind of off-road flexibility weekend explorers appreciate. Step inside, and the atmosphere shifts instantly into cozy luxury. The Seal 5 feels like a compact apartment thoughtfully designed for life on the move. Warm LED lighting fills the space, bouncing softly off premium fabrics and wood grain finishes. The rear double bed looks inviting enough to dive into after a long day of adventure, and the seating area up front transforms into extra sleeping space without effort. The kitchen is surprisingly capable, with a 2-burner stove, fridge, deep sink, and plenty of storage. Even the bathroom feels practical yet comfortable, with a separate shower area that makes everyday routines feel easy. Every inch of the interior is crafted to make you feel at home anywhere in the world. On the road, the Rimor Seal 5 is smooth, steady, and surprisingly light to handle. Powered by a modern, efficient diesel engine paired with advanced suspension, it delivers enough strength for mountain climbs while staying quiet and composed on highways. Maneuvering feels intuitive, even for drivers new to motorhomes. And with its versatility across different terrains, you can confidently chase sunsets beyond paved roads without sacrificing comfort or control. Technology elevates the experience even more. You get a smart navigation system, adaptive cruise control, rear parking sensors, bright LED headlights, and a clear infotainment system that supports Bluetooth, smartphone mirroring, and onboard Wi-Fi. Safety features like lane assist and stability control ensure peace of mind, whether you're cruising long stretches or weaving through narrow village streets. Efficiency is another one of its strengths. The Seal 5's updated powertrain offers impressive fuel economy, and optional solar panels help keep your essentials running when you're off-grid. Fewer stops, lower costs, and a smaller environmental footprint make long journeys even more rewarding. With an expected price range starting around the mid-$70,000, the 2026 Rimor Seal 5 delivers excellent value. You're paying for comfort, technology, quality craftsmanship, and more importantly, the freedom to live life anywhere you choose. In the end, this motorhome isn't just a vehicle. It's your ticket to independence. To slow mornings, spontaneous detours, and nights under endless skies. If you're ready to turn the world into your backyard, the Rimor Seal 5 is ready to take you there. Pack your dreams, hit the road, and let adventure find you. Hello, dear viewers.